to make it look pretty.
No look.
Yeah.
There's your two. At your home, you have a black one.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay, no.
okay.
Oh, one.
Sugar, secret ingredient. Spoon, please. Spread them down. Size secret ingredient.
Indian, did you?
You have to go to the gym more. Spoon, please. Sweet from the sugar, salty from the fish sauce, sour from lamb, spicy from the chili. Everything.
That's it.
Now we taste it. Yes.
No smash.
Yeah, more stir.
Oh, wow.
Sweet, salty, sour, spicy.
Yeah.
Everything.
All of them. Yeah.
All of them. I want a peanut. Where's my peanut? Okay. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes.
You try it. Taste first.
Sweet,
Taste it
salty, spicy.
first. Shrimp? Yes.
Shrimp. Cup.
Shrimp? Oh, sure. Go for me. Thank you.
Yeah.
And now everything that you cut inside. Papaya,
Can
carrot.
I add more chili?
Okay. Wow.
More chili.
아니, 약간 chili 기도 하나.
섹시맨 이거 너희.
너 이거 가야 돼, 머리.
So now one of my list, the Nepali also 30%. Before that only Indian and then now Nepali. Stir. Peanuts.
안 돼.
Peanut.
Cup.
Okay. Now can I show you how to smash like this?
이거 아니에요.
I put all everything. Okay, now back to the plate. Make it look nice into the middle of the plate. Okay, good. Yeah. When you mash it too much, very mushy. Just to mix the sauce through the vegetable only.
This is it.
Yep.
왜요?
Yeah, I do some for you. And now it's being low. We go deep fry. Put it back to your plate and deep fried it.
키가 여기서 어디 돼?
Just mix it turn, mix and turn. Yeah, 60 man. Smile. Okay.
언니, 짜대고, 이니고.
밥에 바르고.
맛 별로 안 나죠. 오야. 언니도 보낼 거예요.
Cup. Oh my God.
It's good.
Amazing.
Not spicy.
Not too bad.
Perfect.
A little bit. A little spicy. Thank you.
Perfect. No worries. And I prefer more spicy.